Okay, now I want to be totally honest with you. I didn't want to do a video today. I wanted to do... Can I see myself, please? Can you turn the viewfinder so I can see myself? Thank you. I want to be real clear about this. There we go. Okay.
Hi, welcome to the Jack Scalfani Show. Start that way.
Stop it. All right. So Tammy wants to make hamburgers, and she needs tomatoes and onions and a whole bunch of stuff. Who's calling? Yeah, I ain't got time. All right. So she wants all this stuff sliced. So she's like, we should really do this mandolin slicer video. I'm like, let's see, tomatoes, onions. I'm like, you don't care about the people. You don't care about the viewers. You don't care about reviewing this wonderful product. You care about dinner. That's the only reason I'm doing this video now. I was going to wait till tomorrow to film this, but she needs things sliced. So we're going to slice some things. This is a crazy design. I'm really impressed. I think I can even like be able to put a carrot in there and hold it. And put it in there, slice it up. So we're gonna demonstrate how this works. I've always hated mandolin slicers. Always. Okay? Why? Because you drag your fingers over the blade again and again and again, and one time or another, it's gonna slice your fingers. It's a very dangerous device. They've never made a design better than this one. This is from a company called Zakarian. I don't know. I'll have a link down below. And basically, you'd nowhere near the blade. You literally, that's all you got to do. That is so cool. So, and you got a little catch tray here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start slicing some stuff. So come on in close, take a look at it, and I'll show you how everything works. Oh, you even got a little thing here to choose your slice, huh? No?
That locks the thing.
This lets you choose, this dial back here. There it is. Okay, you can even set the thickness. This is pretty cool. Am I just having fun by myself? Yes, I am. You guys ready? Come on in close. So if you don't know how this works, I had to remove the little safety thing. If you see, the blade goes up and down. You're not pushing the onion or the carrot up and down. So the blade goes up and down, and it cuts on whatever you're cutting, and that's how it works. I just wanted you to see this visually, okay? So normally you're going to turn it this way. You're going to use this to press in whatever it is you're slicing. We're not sure yet. We're going to find something to hold this in. I'll just hold it in my hand, and I'll press in. We're going to do some potatoes, some onions, some carrots, and I think this tomato's a little big to fit in here, so we're going to either get a smaller one, or we're going to cut the tomato in half. That's how it works. Look at that. Perfect, smooth. You can make chips with this. You could just make potato slices and fry them up for breakfast. That worked out really nice. And I got a whole bowl here. Hold on a minute. There we go. Got a whole bowl right there. Okay? Now let me show you something. There's a little switch back here that changes the blade up. So let me change the blade up, and I'll show you. I think it's like a julienne cut, right? It's got the little grooves on it. I think that's I don't know anything about slicing, but I think it's julienne. Okay, guys, we got our carrot in. We followed the directions. We've set it to julienne. Let's try it out now. There you go, right there. Look how picture perfect that is. All right, guys, I just want to show off one more feature. See how this doesn't go back? It goes back and forth. It grabs. It doesn't slide on you. You're not going to have anything happen while you're slicing. Are you ready? Now, this is why I'm doing the video. For this tomato right here. That's the only reason I'm doing it. So we have tomatoes on our hamburgers tonight. Are you serious? There we go. Well, we kind of sliced them thin, but They'll be perfect on sandwiches. Okay, guys, we removed the red onion. It was too big, didn't fit in the machine. Went to a smaller white one. So you ready? These are the onions for the burgers tonight. I even thickened them a little bit. Look at this. They're perfect rings. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, super easy. Beautiful. We diced, we chopped, we julienned. It was amazing. I totally recommend this mandolin slicer. I'm going to try and have the link down below if I can find out where I got this from, okay? But I love this design. Super easy, guys. People who don't have a lot, it takes I can do it with one finger. All right? And also, don't forget, it's dishwasher safe. Throw the whole thing in the dishwasher and you're good to go. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.